This is how to reset the maintenance required light on a 2004 Toyota Sienna. Start with the key on, engine on or off doesn't matter. Briefly press the odometer trip toggle button until you hit the odometer. Turn the key back off, hold down the button and turn the key on. The dashes going across mean it's resetting, and the zeros mean it's complete. So that's all you need to know for that one. And the light is off now. So for this 2004 Toyota Sienna, do it with the odometer showing. Turn the key on, get to odometer reading, odometer, turn the key off, hold the button down, turn the key back on, keep holding the button the whole time while the dashes go across and the zeros confirm the reset. Thanks for watching.